Okay, here's a demo of Yep Anywhere. So I already have Claude installed here. So I need to do this to install it. And then you just run it. And then you have to open it. So maybe just copy that, find Safari. And here we go. So this setup, I like dark. And then this is the coolest thing, the remote access. So um, this lets you access it from anywhere from just this URL. So let's go ahead and try that. Well, I don't have the password saved, but we'll just check it out locally. So this is what it looks like when you're running it. So this was a Claude session I ran earlier, so you see it picked it up. And then if I want to make a new session, I just do it this way. So you can just create a session like this. So you can see this is kind of a mobile UI. We have a lot of screenshots for how that works. I actually use it on my desktop all the time though. So you can see we have file upload, thinking toggles, auto or high, microphone input. So this is useful for on the desktop. So because you don't have to install Super Whisper and stuff, and then some custom commands. Then you have the permission modes and the prompts. So all that's working. And then we also have some cool modes like the inbox here, where you can see sort of what needs triaged. And then you have ways to search and kind of do bulk actions on your previous sessions, like archive them or mark them as read. And then you can also do some extra stuff like kill it or clone it if you have you want to kind of start with that session, or favorite it, so you can star it. Then it shows up in the well, it should show up here. There's still there's still some issues, but you see it shows up here. Yeah, and then you can see if the working tree is dirty. So if I say yes to this, this is in my home folder. So it's not a Git folder. That won't work. But yeah, that's kind of it as a basic demo. It's a mobile first kind of control plane for your AI agents. And the main differentiator is that you don't need any accounts. It's super secure. You can configure it to work on LAN. You don't have to use a relay. You could host your own relay. We do support several providers, but mainly at this point it's Claude and Codex that work the best. There's some experimental features and stuff. But yeah, it's open source on GitHub. It's pretty stable. I use it all the time. Lots of other people are starting to use it. Yeah, that's it for the demo.